Hey my loves, Masenzen Inwele. We're doing breads. It's a house call. As you guys can see, Klesha at 6 a.m. So I started and then Uluhle Walandela around 8. Guys, you are asandenda Goa. For the past couple of weeks, not, hey guys, I think umgo uyandithanda yazi, but bendigowa. Like even like last night I was not able to sleep, like because I was like yo, and that's what's happening. So I had to go warm ubisi and add cinnamon so that at least ndiyakwazi ulala. But guys, what I want to talk about, because obviously I was struggling to sleep last night. So when I struggle to sleep, I usually talk to my sisters. So then I just remembered the other time esasicula in a family choir, funeral katamkhulu wam. So I know my sister, guys, iyambodarisha le way, and andiyazi why isambhodarisha kangoku. So obviously it didn't go well because okay, she was leading and then mna ndandilandela, and then ngokwindawo enyukayo I remember, and then she started crying. So we're just actually talking about that. She started crying. I think Jay Sapuma Jay off key or whatever. Jonga sana. Ndaqomba xa ndithi uyalila hayi ndaqomba sana namandilile. Oh, one thing about me ke sana, mna ndizolila, ndizophuma apho. So I was just laughing at that, and also I just realized, guys, ba mna apha life ndingumuntu osokolisayo. I'm a very guys, the difficulty, be it's a relationship, a family. Like I feel like I'm stressing people out. Like I am stressing people out because what do you mean? Oba, if like last night I was struggling to sleep, and then I'm like, sana makuvuke wonke umuntu makuvuke, and now I'm like, shame. I think babuthwele ubunzima abantu abaselifini yam. If yi-friend yam uyayazi uzoba stressed into ethi benovuyiseka. If sister yam uyayazi uba ne-stress. If ungumakazi wakho uyayazi uba ne-stress. If ngudaba uzawuba ne-stress. I stress people out.